Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create this picture out of frame edit on CapCut PC. So I'm just going to select this picture first, and I'm just going to make it a little bit larger. Then I'm going to copy and paste that, go to cutout, and I'm going to select auto cutout. Then I am going to go to the first image. I'm going to mask it, and I'm going to choose a shape. And then on the second one, you're going to select another shape again, but you're going to place it up here. To add like a frame underneath, just go to library and select any color that you want under background, or maybe even use this. And go to mask again and select circle and create your own frame. And that is it, super simple, but I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!